Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I just upgraded my car radio to this amazing Android CarPlay radio by Bowoima. I'm very impressed with the quality and how smooth it works. I was able to connect my phone to the CarPlay option without any cables, without any problem. I'm able to make calls and send texts without having to look at the screen. The screen itself is bright, the colors are vibrant, and as you can see here, just like any tablet, I can use any of the apps to navigate and watch videos or browse when connected to the internet. The screen is very responsive to touch, so it feels and acts like a very high quality screen. I really like how many options it has to customize the sound. It comes with an option to adjust the equalizer to my liking. Installation was pretty straightforward. Even though it took me more than an hour, I was able to set it up without any problems. The radio looks great in my car, but most importantly, it works perfectly, making driving more enjoyable. And that is my point of view.